Okay, and we are back here. For this, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to do these problems. You can do whatever way is going to be best for you, but I'll just show you 3 different ways. So for my first way, I'm actually going to go to the next page so I have more space. I'm going to start with $1.39, and I have to get all the way up to $2. And I'm going to be using it with coins. So first coin I could do would be 1 penny. So if I add 1 penny, that will get me then to $1.40. Then I could add a dime. Dimes are worth 10, so that'll get me to $1.50. Then I could add a quarter. That'll get me to $1.75. And if I add another quarter, that will get me to $2. Awesome. So I just have to go and count how much money I have then. So, so 1 quarter is 25. If I have 2 quarters, that's 50 cents. Then I added 10. Well, that's going to be 60. And then 1 penny is 61 cents. So, going back to this, how much change did she get back? 61 cents. Or I could write it like this. $0, 61 cents. Or I could write it like 61 cents. You can write it any of those ways. The next way I'm going to do it like a number line. So it's $4.53 up to $5. So I'm going to just treat it like 453 up to 500. I'm going to do some jumps here. 10, 453 will change into 463. Do another 10, be 400. 400. Just think about my 10s are the only ones that's changing. It'd be 473. Be 483. 400, and do another 10. 493. Then do my last jump. 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. Oh, 7. And I just got to count my money. 10, 20, 30, 40, 47 cents. Back here, right, 47 cents, or $0 and 47 cents, or 47 cents. And the last way, I'm going to do it like a subtraction problem. The nutrition bar, I have $3. Can put my number signs there. Cost $2.12. Just make sure those 2 decimal points are lined up, and I can do my subtraction. The 0 minus 2, I can't do that, so I'm going to just trade or borrow with that neighbor. Nope, can't do that, so I have to go over to the 3. So my basically 300s will turn into 200s. I'll bring that over to the tens place, so now I have 10 tens, but I still need to make my ones bigger, so I'm going to take one of those tens, 9 tens, and I have 10 ones. And 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. Decimal point, 2 minus 2 is 0. So my answer then is 88 cents, or I could say $0.88. So I'll just pause there so you can kind of check and think about my work as well. And then, so the last page is a little bit different. So for this page, you actually are not going to submit this page. This one is more of a fun activity that you could do with somebody at home. Maybe this is like, something you could even practice while you're eating lunch or while you're eating dinner later. But it's basically a game. So I'll kind of read everything though. The following items are for sale at the beach snack shop. Oh boy, it'd be fun to go to a beach. So just all these different things have different prices. There's a price tag for each of them. Like the orange is 56 cents. And here it is. So act out using money. You and your partner can take turns being the customer and the shopkeeper. Here's what you do. The customer chooses 2 items to buy. Okay, so let's say, for example, I do want to buy the orange and a banana. I'm going to try to keep healthy. The shopkeeper writes down the prices and finds the total cost. So I'd have to write down 72 and 56. Make sure I have the decimal points there too, though. I'm going to find out what how much this equals. So banana costs 72 cents, orange costs 76 cents. Okay, I have to put those two together to find how much it costs. 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay. 7 plus 5 is 12. 2. Okay, I have the 1 there, nothing there, so 1. So together this costs $1.28. Okay. The customer pays with bills only. So if it costs $1.28, now as a shopkeeper, I'd say, okay, that's $1.28. Well, if I was buying it, I would then give the shopkeeper $2. Because I can't pay with 1, that's not enough, so I'd go up to $2 then. So then me as the shopkeeper, I have to figure out, okay, well, how much does this cost then? Or not how much it costs, how much change do I get? So I can't do 0 minus 8. I can't take away from that the tens because there's nothing there. So I'm gonna go over to the hundreds. Trade that 200s into 100s. Go over to the tens. I'm gonna have 10 tens, but I still need to make that ones larger. So I'm gonna take one of my tens, 9 tens. 0 ones turns into 10 ones. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. Decimal point. 1 minus 1 is nothing, so I get 72 cents back. Cool. And then you would say, okay, here's 72 cents back from change. And you can take turns. Just kind of a fun way. And you can even, maybe you want to add 3 items or 4 items, whatever. Just kind of a fun way to practice. You're not going to turn anything in for me with this. Just another fun way to practice. But yeah, great math today, everybody, and great work with money. Have fun. Bye.